Have you ever stopped to wonder how the human eye, a marvel of nature, works? Well, today we will unravel the magic behind this complex organ that allows us to perceive the world around us in vivid color and detail. Imagine a camera. Just as a camera captures light and converts it into a picture, the human eye absorbs light to create the images we see. And just like a camera, the eye has several key components that work together to make this possible. Firstly, there's the cornea, the transparent outer layer of the eye. Acting as the eye's outermost lens, it bends or refracts the light that enters the eye, initiating the process of creating an image. Next in line is the iris, the colorful part of the eye. It functions much like the aperture of a camera, expanding and contracting to control the amount of light that reaches the next component, the lens. The lens, located behind the iris, further refines the light's focus onto the retina, the innermost layer of the eye. Think of the retina as a screen onto which the picture is projected. Now, the retina isn't just a passive screen. It's packed with millions of photoreceptor cells, specifically rods and cones. Rods enable us to see in dim light and perceive shades of gray, while cones allow us to see in bright light and perceive color. But the journey doesn't end here. The final image, now converted into electrical signals by the retina's cells, travels along the optic nerve, a kind of biological cable, to the brain, which interprets these signals as the images we see. And there you have it, the eye in a nutshell. From the protective cornea to the light-regulating iris, the focusing lens, the image-capturing retina, and the signal-transmitting optic nerve, each component plays a vital role in our visual perception. So, to recap, the human eye works like a sophisticated camera. It starts with the cornea refracting light that enters the eye. The iris then adjusts to control the amount of light that hits the lens. The lens focuses this light onto the retina, which transforms the light into electrical signals. These signals then travel along the optic nerve to the brain, which interprets them as the images we see. Indeed, the human eye is an impressive piece of biological machinery. It's not just about seeing, it's about understanding and interpreting the world around us. And with every blink, this intricate process repeats, allowing us to navigate and appreciate our visual world. So next time you catch a glimpse of a beautiful sunset or a loved one's smile, remember the marvelous mechanism at work behind those two small spheres in your face.